Hi, welcome back to Kolsky Drones. Today we've got the Star Wars Speeder Biker from PROPEL. Hi, welcome back. So, if you saw the video posted a few weeks ago, these were coming soon, and they're the PROPEL Star Wars Battle Drones. This is the Speeder Biker, so it comes in this box. When you take it out of this box, it comes in this one. So very, very nicely packaged. Comes in a box with two wax seals on. The idea is you cut these with a knife, but if you pry them gently at the bottom, they do come open because it's double-sided tape. And here you've got a front. The Speeder Biker's been like an embossed plastic Speeder Biker, very nicely boxed. So when you open it, this is what you get inside. And what it's doing is playing part of the audio from the movie. Got a speaker in there. The quality is amazing. Just put the lid back on the box and open it for a second time. They'll play the theme tune from Star Wars. Very impressive packaging. These are a limited edition. They said they've been out a couple of years now, but there's quite a few of them about. I think when they came out, they were something like £269 each, which is crazy money for what they have. But if you're a Star Wars fan like me, you're gonna love these. So let's just take the lid off the box. Now it is going to continue playing this till the song stops, unfortunately, but I'll try and get rid of it in a minute. So this is the bike itself. Now you can see, look at the detail on the bike. Absolutely incredible. So your rider pops forward and you pull the clasp at the back here, that pops off, and this way your battery goes in. I'm going to show you more of that in the second video. In the second video I'll have it all set up and I can show it you all complete and ready to fly. The noise has thankfully stopped. But yeah, it's a thing of beauty. So this is the base unit it comes on. Now it's rechargeable, so you get a charger in here so you can charge this up. So you can charge up the sound module and obviously the light module, so every time you take it out of the case it'll play the noise. I love it, but it's one of them things, isn't it? I think if you're a Star Wars fan, you're going to absolutely love these things. So let's put this to one side. So in here, if you take out the inner box, because it's incredibly well finished off. So in here you get some boxes. Just take all these out so you can get the boxes out of the way. Okay, so in here you get your very impressive guide. So this is your manual, and it really is a nice manual. And there's some pictures in there of the Speeder Biker. So it's a 74Z Speeder Biker. You get that. You get what they class as a training cage, which is obviously, it goes on the bottom, because obviously the motors are on this thing at the bottom. That goes on the bottom of your drone. You get that is your charger, there are your batteries, and that's your wall charger, so that's your plug socket. As I say, I'll show you more of these on the second video when I set it up and show it you, and we do some flight footage and stuff, but I just wanted to do the unboxing today because it's not something you really just can't throw it out the box, because it's that impressive what you get in here. Right, and these are your spares. You get a spare rider, you get some spare guns, you get the front, so if that was to break, you get that. You get some more props, so you get 4 A's and 4 B's. You get some spare screws, and that is the bit that goes where the speed rider's feet go. You get a spare one of them. So this is the nicest prop removal tool I think I've ever seen. It's a ridiculous weight. It's made out of steel, and it is really well finished off. So you get them, and then you get your controller. So this is the controller. We're going to go through this properly on the second one. The controller is fantastic. It's got a lovely bit of weight about it. It's got nice gimbals, and it's got switches galore. There's a lot of things you can do with this. This will play music, and it'll also give you instructions what to do and what buttons to press. It also has an app, so you can put the app on your phone. Your phone goes in here, and it's got no camera, but the idea of this is it's a training app. So this is Bluetooth, you connect it to your phone, and it has a battle game, so you can fly the speeder around in first person view on here and shoot stuff. Incredible. It really is superbly finished off. So it has 2 screws here, the bottom comes off, and you put in 4 AA batteries. So it doesn't have, so I do not like screw-on things, but at least they give you the screwdriver. The screwdriver is actually built in to the side of the controller. They have thought of literally everything. The buttons feel nice, and like I say, I'll run through all the modes with you when we do the actual video. But the thing is just impressive. That's your on and off switch. It also does so much other things. There's various rates on here. There's a lot of things you can adjust. It really is an amazing piece of kit. I absolutely love this thing. And very impressive control. So that's all the stuff you get in the box. Let's just have another quick look at the biker before I finish this video. So the biker is a really nice finished off. It'll do roughly, they reckon, 28 kilometers an hour. It has lights on the back. Now, it doesn't have an optical flow sensor, but what it does have is a sensor in here when to shut the motors off. Because obviously, if you haven't got the guards on, it's going to land on its motors. So it's going to land on the props. This clever little device tells it when it's coming in contact with the floor, and it shuts them off before it hits the floor. So you don't damage your motors. It's got light in the front, and it's also got battle mode. So if you have more than one of these and you want to fight each other, you can follow each other around in the field and shoot each other with the guns, and it's got little sensors on here to tell you whether you've been hit, and when you've been hit it'll drop out of the sky safely. It won't just fall from 40 foot, but it will safely come down to let you know you've been hit. So I've got there's 3 in the collection, so I've got all 3 of these. And I'm going to do the similar thing for all 3 because they are different. The boxes open differently. They have different things inside. So I'm going to do the videos the same on all 3 of them. And then I'm going to run 3 more videos showing you its setup, what it does, all its modes, and some flight footage. They are, for a Star Wars geek, amazing. I can't describe how great these... When I first opened this, the wow factor was incredible. So, what a beautiful way to keep it. So it just stays in there, everything goes back in the box. You might not want to put all this back in the box, but you can certainly just put it in the piece, the bit underneath this, because this just sits back in the box. And put the bits underneath and it will shut down. Or the idea is, of course, you can just keep it out in here, like that. Sorry about that. So this is the first in the series. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'll have the video up shortly of the second part of this, and it really is an incredible piece of fun. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you're not going to miss the next part of the video. And thanks ever so much for watching. Bye bye.